So as per request by many students, today I'm going to create this video that will explain you how to save the file in drawing format as well as in PDF format. So before we proceed to save this particular file, first thing that you have to do is you have to create your folder. And for that, right now I'm going to create folder on desktop. So you just right click and go to new and select folder option, click on it. So new folder will get created. Here you add your roll number and press enter. So on desktop, I created my folder with name as 12345. Now in this folder, I have to save this AutoCAD file as well as I have to save the PDF of the same file. Because to take a printout, you require a PDF format. So first we see how to save it as an AutoCAD file or as a drawing file. So for that, you just click on this A symbol and go to save as, then select this drawing option. Click on it. So this save drawing as window will open, and here we have to select the folder. And as you know that we created the folder on desktop, so you just click on the desktop and find your folder. So right now my folder is 12345. So I just double click on it. Now here you have to add the file name. So now I'm going to add the file name as line example 1, or you can write it as ex.1. Whatever file name you want to give, you just type it over here. And this file type is a drawing, so keep it as it is, and you just click on save. So now your file is saved in a folder as a drawing format. You can check it. I am just going to minimize it, and I just double click on this folder, so you can see. So this is the drawing format file, so it is saved. Now I'm going to save the same file in a PDF format. So for that, click on this A symbol. Now go to this print and click on this drop down. Then go to plot. This is the first option. So just click on that plot. Then this plot model window will open. Now here we have to save the file in PDF format. So in printer plotter, the name that you have to select is DWG to PDF. So you can see that option over here. So this DWG to PDF means our drawing file will convert to PDF. So you just click on that. Then next thing that you have to do, you have to select the paper size. Okay, now in this window right now, the correct paper size is selected. That is ISO full bleed A4 210 by 297. If it is not, if it is only ISO A4, then you just go on this drop down, and here you have these many options of the file types. So here you have to select ISO full bleed A4 210 into 297. So this paper size we have to select. So this is the thing that we have to do for the paper size. After that, go to plot area. So it asks you what to plot. As we set the limits to the file, so you just click on it and select limits option. So here we are going to plot the limits. So we change three things in this. So printer plotter, DWG to PDF, paper size, ISO full bleed A4, 210 by 297, and what to plot limits. Now make sure that this X is 0, Y is 0, and here this drawing orientation. So it should be landscape. If it is portrait, you can observe it over here in this window. If it is portrait, then this highlighted area is your drawing. Okay, and remaining paper will remain empty. So it is not acceptable. So it should not be portrait, it should be landscape. So if when I select landscape, then the drawing will fit to entire page. Then we should preview it. So you just click on preview and this preview is available. So as per preview, they all things are correct. You have to close the preview from here. That is close preview option. Here we have two close options. This one and at right hand side this one. Okay. So this right hand side option will close the entire drawing file. So don't click on it. You just click on this preview, close preview option, and then click OK. So again, the browser for plot file window will open. Browse for plot file window will open. So here we have to select our folder. Now my folder is on desktop, so I just click on this desktop, and then I am going to double click on my folder. So you can see file name. So line example one, that file name I have already given, model.pdf. So this is correct, and file type is PDF. So that is also correct. So don't change this file type and click on save. Now you can see that your drawing is saved in a PDF and you are able to take a print out of it. You can check that file in a folder. You can see this line example model. So this file is saved as PDF.